My country people, now good morning, depending here you are watching me. Today being 24, being the last Saturday of the month of June 2023. It was very heavy rain, and you can see my compound. It was flooded. You can see the situation even inside the house. It was flooded everywhere. So follow me, let me show you the house side. Bajo! Bajo! Let me show you how the outside. So this is happening Ondo state of Nigeria, Bedok beside me. So if you come on board, please endeavor to share this video. Endeavor to share it. You see the situation here. So you see the situation. It was very heavy. So you see it. Even all the shop around here was full flooded. So, you see it. So this is a situation report. I will not move far because a lot of gutters through here. So see this vegetation is well flooded, full of floods. So this is a Bedok vegetation. Let me just manage whether I will video it for you. So please share this. Tag our government. Tag our government. It's highly needed here. So you see me sweeping on top of water. And sweeping on top of water. You see it. Ogami. So you see it is that motor. That motor was flooded with water. So see the bed of vegetation. I'm telling you, I managed to pass here. So you see it. You see how people. Let me see. You see it. So you see the situation. So see the Bedok, I'm telling you. You see the federal vegetation. You see how the situation be. So that's so you see it. So let me manage whether what I don't carry person. Yeah. Now you see the situation. Go today here. So see the how environment be. So I managed to come this side. I managed to come this side. So I will stop here. You see that all the shop surround here was full of flooded. So you see it. So I will stop here. I would like to go back. So let me show my face so that you will know who is speaking with you. So you see me, I am Maazi-UC. Please try to share this video, tag this video to government official, okay? Government personnel. Okay? Thank you. So I have to stop here. I have to stop here. So that place, there was a bridge over there. There is a bridge, but water don't cover the bridge. So let me zoom it. I can't go that side because of flooding, because of my camera. Okay, there is no fun inside the water. That is all I have to say for here. Thank you. Please, whenever you cross this video, please try to share it. The situation report at the city of Akure, beside the bedrock feed station right there. So once you mention bedrock feed station in Akure, everybody know of it. So thank you and God bless you. Remember that my name is Maazi-UC. Follow me on my YouTube page. Please on your name notification so that every time I bring the report situation, you get across it. Thank you all and God bless you, my people. Bye for now.